under the action of various kinds of force. The behavior of the material is study that measures the strength and lasting characteristic of a material in service. The mechanical property of material are of great industrial importance in the design of tools, machines, and structure. These properties are structure sensitive in the sense that they depend upon the crystal structure and its bending force. The especially upon the nature and behavior of the infection which exists within the crystal itself or at the grain boundaries. The mechanical property of the metals are those which are associated with the ability of the material to resist mechanical force and load. The main mechanical property of the material to resist mechanical force and load. The main mechanical property of the metal hardness, formability, castability, and weldability. This property can be well understood with help of tensile test and stress strain diagram. The new important and useful mechanical property explained below. Number 1. Plasticity. It is defined as the property of a material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external force are removed. It can also be referred as the power of material come back to its original position after deformation when the stress or load is removed. It is also called as the tensile property of material. The number 2 is proportional limit. It is defined as the maximum stress under which a material will maintain a perfectly uniform rate of strain to stress, though its value is difficult to measure, yet it can be used as the important application for building precision instrument spring. And number 3, elastic limit. Many metals can be put under stress slightly above the proportional limit without taking a permanent set. The greatest stress that a material can under without taking up some permanent set is called elastic limit. Beyond this limit, the metal does not regain its original from an permanent civil accord. Number 4. Yield point. At a specific stress. Ductile metals, particularly cast, offering resistance to tensile force, demands or dismants the metals flow and a relative large permanent set takes place without a noticeable increase in load. This point is called yield point. Certain metals, such as mild steel, exhibit a definite yield point, in which case the yield stress is simple, the stress at this point. Number 5. Strength. Strength is defined as the ability of a material to resist the externally applied force while breakdown or yielding. The internal resistance offered by a material to an externally supplied force is called stress. The capacity of bearing load to metal and the withstand destruction under the action of external loads is known as strength. The stronger the material, the greater the load it can withstand. This property of material. Therefore, material the greater determines the ability to withstand stress without failure. Strength varies according to the type of loading.